In this video, I want to show you how to open the hood on your Toyota Highlander. It could be the first gen, the second gen, doesn't matter. Go in the driver's side, and right over here in the footwell, you're gonna find this latch that you need to pull fully. All right, once you did this, you can even pull it twice to make sure. Go in the front of the car. Go in the front of the car. This is the Toyota logo. We need to go on the right side over here. Glide your fingers until you feel something, okay? There will be like a latch that you need to push up. And once you push that latch up, you need to lift the hood. This is how the latch looked, okay? So I put my finger here and I simply push that latch up. Once you do this, let's put the prop rod. So you're gonna take it, and there will be a place right over there where you can put it, so you have a better access under the hood of your Toyota Highlander. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.